Hey guys, it's another day. Shelby Padgett here. Thanks for watching. Today we have a new toy to put together. I bought some e-bikes for my wife and I, and this is the first one to come. The second one should arrive next week, or maybe tomorrow. We'll see how lucky we get. So this is a used one. I got it on pinkbike.com. For those of you that don't know, that's like the mountain bike mecca website. For me, that's where actually I buy a lot of the bikes I get, because paying retail for a mountain bike has always just been a really bitter thing for me. I don't know why. They're just so expensive and they decrease in value so quickly. And I'm always like, well, I could go buy a YT 250 or a dirt bike for the same price. So buying them secondhand seems to have worked out really well for me. I got my dirt jumper, my road bike, my BMX bike was new, my wife's mountain bike was used, pit bike was used, and of course CT90 was used. So I always try to find a deal when I can. I like negotiating, and these ones are really hard to find, so inventory on the secondhand market is like not there at all. So finding them was hard. They came on like 1 and 3 hours apart, brand new listings, one in Southern California, one in Portland, Oregon. I happened to be on the site at that time, messaged both the guys, got a conversation going really quickly, and convinced them to ship them out to me using Bike Flights, which is an awesome shipping service for bicycles specifically. Both the guys were super cool. I talked to them. They have really low hours. This guy upgraded to the higher end version that is in inventory. YT bikes for the YT Decoy, the e-bike, if you haven't figured out what we got yet, is not available until like literally October, November, maybe December. They're just out of them completely. All the sizes, all the combos, unless you go to the really high-end ones, which I don't want to spend $7,500 on a bicycle. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I have no idea what I'm really getting into aside from the pictures that I was sent. And the bike has, from what I understand, really low hours, like a few hours on it. So let's check it out. This guy was awesome, and he had all the original parts for it still, like the box and the tool bag and some of the buffers. So he was really thorough, and I'm excited to see. I think he packed this thing in really nicely for us. So, and I don't believe mine comes with the Fox factory fork. I think it'll come with the RockShox OEM baseline rear shock and the RockShox front fork, which totally fine. I get it. You got to get what you pay for. So we'll start with this, and if we need to upgrade items, we will, but I think we'll be just fine. All right, so let's go ahead and blistering hot today, but here we go. So I don't have a bike stand, so it's pretty jerry-rigged, but this is the order in which the mounts go on from what I can tell. So maybe it's personal preference. I haven't tightened these all down yet, but basically, in case you're looking to see what order they go in, go like so. And yeah, the bike looks sick. We'll see how it feels, I guess. I'll tighten everything up, put some air in the suspension, and I've got the battery charging right now. I'm trying to figure out how long it takes to charge, but I'm assuming it's probably a couple hours or so until this light turns green, but we'll see. When in doubt, read the manual, right? Of course I go to this last, but basically the battery should take this long. So I don't know how much it's charged before it's hit, so probably be significantly less time, but we'll check and see. And yeah, we'll have some fun with this thing. Don't mind the messy garage. Been moving in forever. Time off that I do have, I prefer to play rather than organize for now until I have at least a week off to really get everything fine-tuned. So I'm trying to stay healthy and fit. That work-life hustle, been hustling for like 3 years now in the real estate game. It's been really fun, really rewarding, super good learning experience. But yeah, we worked pretty hard, and it's been good. So the downtime I have, basically I get like windows of like, 3, 4, 5 hours, half a day here and there. And so when I do get that, instead of taking time to get the garage squared away, which I probably should do, instead I go ride for a couple hours or put the bike together so I can go play, do something that feeds me so I can stay energized to keep working until things either get more manageable or delegated and or we scale or things slow down. So that's the haps. Looking over the battery, you can see the status here. So we're pretty much 3 bars. We're almost at full charge. So once that hits full charge, we'll install it, which I still haven't read or know how to do, but I'll figure it out. And I'll put some pedals on the bike for now. Hey guys, I got it done. It works. A couple things to be aware of. They have like error codes on here. If you move the cranks before you get the computer really turned on, it'll give you a code. So you have to don't touch the cranks, start the motor, then you're able to go. Boost mode super fast, a little bit delayed, but I'm sure we'll get used to it. So thing's sick. It's heavy, but you don't feel the weight really at all. So I'm excited to see how it feels on the trail. It'll probably feel pretty familiar to a dirt bike. So it's supposed to get around like 2,600 feet of elevation climb on boost mode. If you're like hard charging, or probably go a little bit further if you're just cruising in eco or trail mode. So we'll try it out. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have an e-bike, let me know what model, what do you like, what don't you like, and see you on first ride out. All right, so my wife's trying it out. First time. You love it? I'm gonna assume she loves it. It goes pretty quick. It goes up to like 20 miles an hour with the boost mode, eco mode, trail mode, boost mode. And what is super cool about the Decoy is it has a walk mode too. So if you're going up a hill that's really steep and you're trying to like navigate over boulders, you just put it in walk and it'll actually creep itself up while you're going. All right, so I think she's got it on boost mode, getting comfy. What do you think? So what do you think? What are your first thoughts?
I can't believe how fast you go.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah, I love it.
It's gonna make mountain biking like way more fun, huh?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Go,
Let's
Rob!
I know, I feel like I was on a dirt bike.
Yeah, it goes fast.
It does.
It's a little delay though, huh?
Actually, it's okay though.
It's okay?
Yeah, because I don't want to just shoot off if I'm not ready.
Yeah,
it also doesn't really take off that much if you're turning, which is good.
No, that's true.
Yeah. The
bike's sweet. It fits you like perfectly too. I'm glad we got you the medium.
Yeah, this is great.
Right?
I'm trying to eco boost.
So yeah, like I said, we'll get mine hopefully within the next few days. And I got a large, same exact bike with the blue color, so the exact same components and grouping and stuff. So it'll be pretty fun. I rode hers. I could ride hers too because I actually personally prefer kind of smaller, more aggressive chassis. So that one actually would probably work great for me too, but I'm excited to see how a large feels, probably a little more stable on downhill, and I think it'll feel a lot like a dirt bike. So like I said, I kind of put a tangent on here, but definitely let me know in the comments if you guys have tried an e-bike, what you guys think, and hopefully it'll be something that we get to enjoy together. She's flying. All right, subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you guys soon.